6.4 Conservative versus non-conservative forces. So, a conservative force is one where the work depends only on the starting and ending points. And with even further extrapolation, you could say that it's something where work is completely conserved. So it'd be something like gravity where the force is completely conserved. Conservation equals negative delta potential energy. And that's quite self-explanatory. It's just from the other lesson. And basically, potential energy is defined as mgyf minus mgyo, which is the same thing as mgyf minus yo. But remember that this is not technically right, because if yf is higher, then it's positive work. So that's why you just do a negative sign on both sides. I mean, non-conservative forces are those where the work depends on the path. So it includes friction, and the reason why friction does is because it's opposing motion. The examples include friction, air resistance, and tension in ropes when slipping. So work done by these forces usually removes mechanical energy, which converts to heat, sound, etc. Pretty simple. Mechanical energy with non-conservative forces. This is a derivation. So the work net is always conservation plus non-conservation, because the conservation has to overpower the non-conservative forces, because non-conservative forces oppose motion, change it into other forms. So we already saw this formula here. So then the W non-conservative has to be this, plus potential energy, with some basic derivation here. I'm not too sure about the derivation of this equation. Let me think if I could figure it out. Oh, you just plus it on both sides. So W conservation, you just plug that into there. So, 1 second. I have some people talking in my ear right now. So, W net equals W cons plus W non-cons. And as we know, W cons is just negative delta potential energy plus W non-cons, delta potential energy mgyo minus yf, or you can factor out a -1 here, and then plus W non-cons. So then that would be, you just move this to the other side, or you can do yf. Actually, this would probably be better, so we could just add it to the other side. So then mg, oh, not mg. I guess it would be, sorry. I guess it would be mv squared. And then plus mg yf minus yo equals w non-cons. So that's how to calculate the non-conservative forces. That's the derivation. That's the same thing as mechanical energy equals change in kinetic energy, plus change in work, I believe, would be the notation, or U. Same exact thing. So